morning, students. Hope you all are doing well. Myself, Noshi Khan, will be teaching algebra, that is Maths 1. Today, we shall begin with the first chapter. Before starting the chapter, let's have a look at these pictures. What do you think about them? The first picture shows the flower bouquet. Second, a bunch of keys, flock of birds, pile of notebooks, collection of numbers. Now here, the one thing that can be seen in common is that everything is in the form of a group or set. And that's our topic for today, sets. But what exactly is a set? A set can be formed of anything that can be well defined or distinct. Let's see what do we mean by well defined and distinct. Let's take an example. Happy children's in the village. Brilliant students of the class. In both of the examples, the word happy and brilliant are relative terms, because the exact meaning of these words of happy, to be happy and to be brilliant differ from person to person. Therefore, these collections are not set. Now let's see other examples. See the examples given below. First is days of week. Now here we can count the number of days in a week, so we can say this is the example of set. Second situation is months in a year. Now here as well we can count the number of months in a year, so this is an example of set. Next, brave children in the class. Now here word brave is a relative term. It can differ individual to individual, so we can say this is not an example of set. Next, first 10 counting numbers. So here we have all the 1 to 10 numbers, so we can say this is an example of set. Strong forts of Maharashtra, again not a set. Planets in a solar system, it's a set. Sets, we can clearly decide the objects of a given collection, then that collection is called a set. Generally, the name of the set is given using capital letters. You can see here capital A, B, C and so on. The members or elements of the set are shown by using small letters, that is small a, B and C. If A is an element of set capital A, then we write it as A belongs to capital A, or you can say A is an element of capital A, and if A is not an element of a set A, then we write A not an element of capital A. Now let us observe the set of the numbers. Capital N is 1, 2, 3, so on. It's a set of natural number. Capital W is 0, 1, 2, 3 is a set of whole numbers. I, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2 and so on is a set of integers. Capital Q is a set of rational numbers. Capital R is a set of real numbers. Now, how we can represent these sets? We have two methods to represent, or we can say to write these sets. First method is listing method or roster method. Now, what is listing method? In this method, we write all the elements of a set in curly bracket. Each of the element is written only once and separated by commas. The order of an element is not important, but it is necessary to write all the elements of the set. For example, The set of odd numbers between 1 and 10 can be written as capital A, curly bracket, 3, comma 5, comma 7, comma 9 and close bracket. Or we can write capital A, 7, comma 3, comma 5, comma 9, close curly bracket. If an element comes more than once, then it is customary to write that element only once. For example, in the word remember, the word R, M and E are repeated more than once. So, the set of letters of this word is written as capital A is equals to curly bracket R, comma E, comma M, comma B and close curly bracket. So, this is how we can write the sets using listing method or roster method. Now the next method is rule method or set builder form. In this method, we do not write the list of the elements but write the general element using variable followed by a vertical line or colon and write the property of the variable. For example, capital A, x slash x element or you can say belonging sign capital N 1 less than x less than 10 close curly bracket, and we can read this as set A is the set of all x such that x is a natural number between 1 and 10. Next example, capital B is equals to x slash x is a prime number between 1 and 10. Set B contains all the prime numbers between 1 and 10. So, by using listing method, set B can be written as B is equals to 2, 3, 5 and 7. Q is the set of rational numbers which can be written in set builder form as Q is equals to small p by Q slash PQ belongs to I, or you can say element of I, Q is not belongs to 0, and read as Q is set of all numbers in the form of p by Q such that p and Q are integers where Q is a non-zero number. Now let's see the examples here. A rule method or set builder form. Capital A x slash x is a letter of the word division. Now how can we write this word division in the form of listing method or roster method? Now here the first thing is we are not supposed to repeat any alphabets, so we are going to write here A is equals to D, I, D, comma I, comma V, comma S, comma O, comma N and close bracket. Next example is B is equals to y slash y is a number such that y square is equals to 9. Now we can write this as B is equals to minus 3 and 3 because square root of 9 is 3. C is equals to Z is a multiple of 5 and it's less than 30. So we have to write the number multiple of 5 but it should be less than 30. So 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25. So we can write this as C is equals to curly bracket 5, comma 10, comma 15, comma 20, comma 25 and close curly bracket. Now let's see how to write the statements in the listing or roster method or rule method. Let's fill these blanks. First is capital A open curly bracket 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, close curly bracket, all are separated with commas. Now here we can write this with the help of rule method as capital A is a set of x such that x is an even natural number less than 15. Next example is B 1, 4, 9, 16. Now here you all can see these are the perfect squares between 1 to 20. So we can write here B is a set of x such that x is a perfect square number between 1 to 20. Now next we have C, A, E, I, O, U. Now this is, you all know, this is vowels of English alphabets. Here the next is the colors given over here in the set D. So we can write these are the colors of rainbow. So we can write D is a set of Y such that Y is a color in the rainbow. Now the next is P, which is equals to open curly bracket -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, close curly bracket. So we can write this P is equals to open curly bracket, or we can say P is a set of x such that x is an integer and -3 is lesser than x and x is lesser than 3. As you all can see over here, the number is between 0 to 2 and here 0 to -2. As we can writing here only less than, so we have to write here 3. If we'll write here less than and equals to, that time you have to write only 2 over here. Next, m is equals to 1, 8, 27, 64, 125, so on. So we can write m is a set of x is a cube of natural numbers. Now you can see 1, 8, 27, 64, 125. These are the cubes of the number. Okay, so we can write here these are the number is a cube of natural numbers. So we can write m is a set of x such that x is a cube of natural numbers. Now let's see practice set 1.1. First question is write the following sets in roster form. In that, first one is set of even numbers. Set of even numbers, if we have to write, we can write capital A is equals to 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. As you all can see, the limitation is not given, so we can write 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on, close curly bracket. Next is set of negative integers. So you all know negative integers means all the negative numbers. Again the limitation is not given, so we'll write -1, -2, -3, so on. Next question, write the following symbolic statements in words. So we'll write 4/3 belongs to Q. So how we can write this in the statement form? 4/3 is an element of set Q. Next, third, P is equals to, P is a set of P such that P is an odd number. We can write this in the statement form. Set P is a set of all P's such that P is an odd number. Question number 4. Write the following sets using listing method. In that, second question is letters in the word complement. Again, as you all know, we are not supposed to repeat any word or any letter. So we'll write here A is equals to C, comma E, comma L, comma M, comma N, comma O, comma P and T. And next, set of prime numbers from 1 to 20. Now you all know what is prime number is. So we'll write the number 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. All are separated by commas and we have to write till 19 because 20 is not a prime number. Now next question, write the following sets using rule method. In that, question number 2 is B is equals to open curly bracket 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, close curly bracket. Now here you all know that 6, these are the multiple of 6. So we can write here B is a set where X such that X is equals to 6n and belongs to capital N. Now as you all know 6 into 1 is 6, 2, 3, okay, so 12. So these are the 1, 2, 3 we'll write as small n, and this n belongs to natural number because 1, 2, 3, 4 all are natural numbers. Now here we have written n is less than 9 because here 48 is given, that is 6 8s are 48, that is why we will write here less than 9. If we want, this means here we have written n is less than 9, this means we have to include the number till 8 because here we have written only less than. If we'll write less than equals to 8, that time you have to write here 8, means you have to include only till 8. Now next question is D is equals to Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday, Friday and Saturday. These are the days of week, so we'll write D is equals to Z is the days of week. Okay, so here we have completed practice set 1.1. So the remaining will continue in our next class. Thank you.